morning guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna tackle about the Pythagorean theorem or Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagorean theorem is to identify the length of the sides of A, B, and C. So Pythagorean theorem is the formula: A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. If we're looking for A, we're gonna use A is equal to square root of C squared minus B squared. If we're looking for B, is equal to C squared, square root of C squared minus A squared. If we're looking for C, C is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared. So, example, we have here, we're looking for A. We're looking for A here. So, A is missing. So, we're gonna use this formula. A squared is equal to square root of C squared minus B squared. A squared minus A is equal to square root of 2. So, our C is 2. Then, B is 3. 2 squared minus 3 squared. So, to remove the squared of 2 here, so we're gonna square root. We're gonna use squared. So, squared of A squared is equal to square root of 9 minus 5. 4 minus 9 rather. So, cancel the squared. So, A is equal to square root of negative 5. So, for our A here, we have a negative 5. So, next example, we're looking for B. So, we're gonna use this. B squared is equal to square root of C squared minus A squared. Then, B squared is equal to square root of 6. 6 is C. And A is 5. 6 squared is equal minus 5 squared. So, to remove squared, we're gonna use square root. Square root of B squared is equal to square root of 36 minus 35. So, minus, we have 15. B is equal to square root of 15. Square root of 15 for our B. So, for our last example, we're gonna look for C. So, we're gonna use this formula. C squared is equal to square root of A plus B squared, or A squared plus B squared. So, C squared is equal to square root of 5 for our A and square root of 5 for B. So, we're gonna copy this squared. So, square root of 5 squared plus 5 squared. So, to remove the squared here, we're gonna square root. So, square root of 2, square root of C squared is C. Cancel out. Is equal to square root of 25 plus 25. 25 plus 25 is equal to square root of 50. So, square root of 50 is, we have here, 5 is square root of 2, or all equal to 7. So, for our C is equal to 7. So, that's it. That's guys. That's all guys. So, thank you for watching. So, I hope you learned something about Pythagorean theorem.